Hi everyone, my name is Kuteng Hao and today I will be presenting my internships report. I completed my 16 weeks industrial training from 9 March until 27 June of 2026 at PK Agro Industrial M Sendirian Berhad, which located at Poklang. The company is one of the subsidiaries under Thailand CP Groups, which is one of the largest agro-industrial companies in the world and the largest at Southeast Asia. Throughout these internships, I gained valuable industrial exposure, practical working experience, and a better understanding of the feed manufacturing industry. Okay, seconds. Here is some of the most valuable experience that I learned during my internships, which is farm visitings. Visitings was fun that you can go to the actual place, then you directly see how others or different farmers conduct their farming. And the most memorable moments is the Raya celebrations, which all the employees, no matter it's a foreigners or locals, or we stop our jobs and we celebrate the Raya together. Okay, here is the organization's profile. PK Agro Industrial was established in 1974 and is a subsidiary of the Charam Pokpan Groups or CP Groups that's originally from Thailand. The company operates in agro-industrial sectors, producing animal feeds, food products, and aquaculture products. It has feed mills located in Poklang, Butterworth, and also Tanjung Langsat. The company vision is kitchens of the world, while its mission is to provide safe, nutritious, and high-quality food through modern technologies while promoting sustainable business growth. Here is some company background that I would like to share. CP Malaysia has grown from a poultry breeding and feed manufacturer into a fully integrated agro-industrial company. Its operations cover the entire supply chains, including feed manufacturing, breeding, farming, food processing, distributions, and retail. The company places strong emphasis on quality assurance, food safety, biosecurity, innovations, and sustainable practices. These integrated business models allow the company to maintain product qualities from raw materials all the way to the final products. And during my internships, I was assigned to the sales administrations department. The department consists of two main teams. First is the team administrations teams, which handles customer orders, documentations, freight arrangements, and coordinations with different departments. Meanwhile, the salesperson teams focuses on customers' visits, sales activities, and after-sales service. Although I work mainly in the office due to the company policies, but I also frequently communicate with different departments to ensure smooth daily operations. Here, I would like to share some company products of CP. This company provides a wide range of products. For animal feeds, it manufactures feeds for poultry, livestock, and aquaculture, such as shrimps. Besides animal feeds, the company also produces food products for human consumption under the CP brands. This shows that CP Malaysia is not only involved in feed productions, but also expands its horizon and participates through the food production chain. Okay, here is the little summaries of my daily activities. My main responsibilities during my internships periods was handling customer orders and also preparing sales-related documents. I coordinated closely with the productions, warehouse, logistics, and finance departments to ensure customers' orders were processed correctly. Besides office works, I also learned about ISO 9001 documentations, quality management practices, workplace safety, and also participated in the fire drill activities. Overall, these internships improve my communications, teamwork, administration skills, and understandings of its manufacturing operations. So I'm assigned to develop some ideas about my company. So my first ideas was suggestions for improvement. For my first assignments, I was required to identify several areas where the company could improve its current operations based on my observations throughout the internships. Although PK Agro already has a well-organized working systems, but I noticed that some documentation processes still heavily rely on manual works. Since the sales administrations departments handle a large numbers of customers' orders every day, manual documentations can sometimes lead to duplicated works, delays, or human errors. Therefore, one of my suggestions is to further digitalize the documentation processes by integrating more automated systems. For example, using digital approval workflows and centralized database can reduce paperwork, improve efficiencies, and make information easier to retrieve. Another suggestion is to strengthen communications between departments. During my internships, my departments needed to communicate frequently with productions, warehouse, logistics, and also finance. Better coordinations and faster information sharing would help reduce delays, ensure customers' orders, and process more efficiently. Last but not least, pest control is important in my company that produce feeds. Raw materials attracts pests such as mice, birds, and as well as snakes, which might contaminate the raw materials. Hence, the company should enforce more on monitoring on pests, build bird-proofing nets, and also increase the frequency of sanitations. Overall, these informations and improvements could increase the productivity while maintaining the company's high standards of quality and customer service. My second assignment was suggestions for business expansions for PK Agro. For the suggestions of expansions, actually PK Agro already have its aquaculture business, which is at shrimps, but I would suggest that actually they can expand into fish aquacultures. The proposed business models follows an integrated approach. It starts with fish farmings, where species such as tilapia, pangasius, and also groupers are raised. Next, CP Malaysia can produce fish feeds using its existing fish manufacturing expertise. After harvesting the fish can be processed into value-added products such as fish fillets, fish balls, nuggets, sausages, and also fish cakes. Finally, these products can be distributed through supermarkets, retailers, restaurants, and also export markets. There are several factors and reasons why fish aquaculture is an attractive opportunity. Fish consumption in Malaysia continue to increase while the government also supports the aquaculture industry. In addition, fish farming provides a lower carbon footprint compared to some other livestock industries and offer a strong long-term profitability. For CP Malaysia, these expansions provide several benefits. It strengthens the company positions in the agriculture sectors, creates new source of revenues, improves supply chains efficiently through vertical integrations, and build a complete farm to food value chains. Overall, I believe that expanding into fish aquaculture is a strategic move that will support CP Malaysia's sustainable growth while meeting the increasing demands for seafood products. My third assignment is to conduct a feed products processing mapping that tells how feed is processed. The process started with receiving raw materials where every ingredient is inspected to ensure it meets quality standards before entering productions. Next, the raw materials are transferred to storage, silos, and then sent for grinding. Grinding reduces the particle size so that the ingredients can be mixed more evenly. After grinding, the ingredients are weighed accordingly to specific feed formulations and transferred to the mixer. Proper mixing is very important because it ensures every pellet contains the correct balance of nutrients required by the animals. After mixing the feeds, enters the conditioning process where steam is added to improve pellet's quality and destroy harmful microorganisms. The conditioned feed then passes through the pellet mills, where it is compressed into pellets. After pelletizing, the feed is cooled to reduce its temperature and moist contents before being screened to remove broken pellets and dust. Finally, the finished feed is packed, stored in the warehouse, and delivered to customers. Throughout the production process, quality control inspections are carried out to ensure the feed meets the nutritional specifications and company standards. This assignment allows me to understand not only the production flows but also the importance of quality assurance, efficiency, and food safety in the feed manufacturing industry. In conclusions, my internships at PK Agro Industrial provided me with valuable industrial experience. I developed practical skills in communications, administrations, teamwork, and problem solving. More importantly, I gained a better understanding of the meat manufacturing operations and the animal feed industry. These internships have strengthened my confidence and prepared me for further career in animal science and husbandry. Last but not least, I would like to provide some suggestions. First, for the industrial training programs. Industrial training programs should be started beginning earliest in the month instead of strictly following to the academic calendar, which started a week later than in the month. And second, students should recommend to find internships programs that is closely related to the fields of studies. For example, SPH, the students shouldn't just make their last choice to go to take the program at the veterinary vet instead of approaching to other company. Second, for the industry, I would like to provide some suggestions that the company should provide departmental rotations and involving interns in real projects would allow students to gain more and broader practical experience. Last but not least, suggestions for myself. I would suggest myself that I would like to gain more exposures to QAQC laboratory works and participate in more farm visits to strengthen my technical knowledge and practical skills before I can get myself involved in the industry more. And that is my presentations, and thank you very much for having your attentions. Thank you.